this is Luma. Today is the day that I go to study abroad. Well, I'm really excited and nervous and interested. Well, I will do my best to studying in abroad. So let's see my journey. Finally, it is now lunchtime. This is beef with noodle. For me, it was good. Beef was tender and seasoned well. The noodle was a little bit dry, but not bad. Overall, I wanna give 6 out of 10. This is Korean snack which is called jumokbap. There are chicken and seasoned beef in it and make a bowl shape. It is not quite good. I'm not recommended eating this other than eating cup noodle. I wanna give 3 out of 10. Now it is dinner time. I ate Korean food kimchi bokkeumbap. It is a good choice when you take Korean airline. It is not that spicy and simple to eat. And also it is stir-fried kimchi with rice. There are bread and salad as well. You should try it. I want to give 8 out of 10. In addition, I regretted that I missed cup noodle.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate.
고맙습니다. 안녕히 가십시오. 감사합니다. 안녕히 가십시오.
감사합니다.
안녕히 가세요.
감사합니다.
뵙겠습니다.
So now I just arrived at Toronto Pearson International Airport. So the place is there where I study abroad is Canada. So let's go to the board. So I just got a study permit and working permit. There's nothing that I have to do in this stage. I need to find my luggage. Good morning, this is Yolnam. Today is second day of living in Canada, and today I'm going to register a SIM number, which is a social insurance number. Like, it's really essential numbers to live in Canada. If you guys make bank account or some other services, you must need to inform a SIM number in the documents. So now I'm going to make SIM number. So I got a SIM number. I'm waiting for 3 hours to get SIM number in front of Service Canada. Like, today rainy and the temperature was 6 degrees Celsius. So the time was really low, but I'm really happy because that I got SIM number. And there's 2 more steps. So I will show you guys later. Today I make bank account. The bank is TD Bank, and processing took 1 hour. Like, I don't know why it took 1 hour, but the banker asked a lot of questions for me. She want to confirm some document. It was not too hard, but a little bit tricky. However, I was able to make bank account today. I will show you guys the document. There's a lot of document in here. I also make debit card as well. Well, I think there's one thing left. So I think making foundation is going to well. So I'm satisfied. Now I'm going to buy some stuff that I will use in student residence. I need some equipment like fry pan or pot, as well as like pillow, cups, and plate. So I'm going to a big shopping mall to buy those kind of stuff. So let's go. I'm finished to purchase any kind of stuff that I need to use in student residence. It was my first time that I go to IKEA shopping mall. It was really interesting. Now I'm really looking forward to live in student residence. I'm really looking forward my future life or school life.